We had the pleasure of joining the film Ice Cream, directed by Jordan Belts and Carly Coulihan. This film is an ice cream paranormal film, and these teeth will be toppings on an ice cream cone. In this video, we're going to be showing you how we made these fake teeth out of Polyplastic's polymorph plastic. Polymorph plastic comes in a variety of brands. Most of the time, the way they work is you heat them up, these little pellets, in hot water from the microwave. Now, microwaves can still make water pretty hot, so please do not burn yourself, but use a metal spoon and peel them out of the water, and you can mold them like Play-Doh or putty, and once you have your desired shape, they will dry into a hard plastic that is usable for props or costume pieces. I used sculpting tools and references from Google to sculpt my teeth. You can make these teeth any shape you want. They could be for a monster, a human, an animal. You can really play with polymorph plastic and have a lot of fun with what you can create. At the end, these are what the teeth look like. Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoyed. Excelsior!